This is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very, very easy to use, nothing hard for you to not understand. So at the top here, you have the server section. This is pretty much where you go to select your servers. As you can see here, these are all the free high-speed servers which you can use. So if you do want to pretty much select custom server, you can go ahead and tap on the circular option at the end here, or you just select, let it stay on the fastest server option, or just select the fastest server for you, which I do recommend. So you don't have any much features for this VPN application here, nothing much, but all you have to do is just pretty much tap on the connection button here, and it will start connecting in no time. As you can see here, it will ask for connection request. Let's tap on OK, and it will start connecting. As you can see here, pretty much connected in less than a second. So that's how easy this VPN application here is to use. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I will see if it can help you out. If you have any problem with the application, just comment below and I will see if it can help you out. See you in the next one.